Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. I'm excited to share an amazing opportunity with you. An amazing Forex trading broker offering a SECA 1,888 no deposit bonus for 2024. But before diving into how you can claim this fantastic bonus, I have a quick request. Please watch this video in full to understand all the details, including the important terms and conditions. Let's get started on this incredible journey. Zoe 1,888 No Deposit Forex Bonus 2024. Global trading with a Cent 1,888 welcome account. Register for free and validate your identity to receive 1,888 in welcome account. No deposit needed. Profits are withdrawable. How to claim your Cent 1,888? Register now. Sign up for a real Zoo account. No deposit needed. Verify identity. Validate your mobile number and identity details. Claim bonus. Use Zoo app to receive account bonus. Start trading. Use your bonus to trade. Profits are withdrawable. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.